अपार्टमेंट हुआ, चाबी दे दिए, सब दे दिए, उसके बाद वो पोजीशन भी लेने गया, उसको निकाल दिए, रोक दिए. What is the fate of that, sir? Sir, I'll give you an example in my constituency, sir. There were MCH quarters. एक क्वार्टर बड़े बड़े घर थे सर, डिलैपिलेटेड कंडीशन में थे. सर, आई वेंट एंड आई स्पोक टू देम, उनको समझाया, उनको बताया कि देखो भाई, आपका एक घर, ये 4 घर, 10 घर में एक बड़ी बिल्डिंग आती है. सर, आई इविक्टेड सम 200 हाउसेस, सर, बिग हाउसेस, एंड 2-bedroom हाउसिंग वाज कंस्ट्रक्टेड, सर. सर, ये 2-bedroom के हाउसेस कंस्ट्रक्ट करें ऑन द अश्योरेंस गिवन बाय मी एंड अ पट्टा सर्टिफिकेट, possession certificate, everything was given to those possession holders of the MCH quarters on my assurance and on my promise, and the patta certificate issued by the collector. They evicted, they gave their position, 2-bedroom housing building was constructed, the beneficiary was selected, inquired, और आज उनको जब देने की बात आ रही है तो नहीं दे रहे. Sir, is this right, sir? Sir, anybody is there, the government is there. Any representative who takes a decision, a representative will be there. The government today is one A, tomorrow it will be B. A public representative is today is A, tomorrow it can be B. But that doesn't mean a promise made by the government and a promise made by the public representative will not be fulfilled. Sir, it is so sad, sir. Hum khali karaye. I cannot go in that area, sir. Whenever I go there, the women are coming. Literally, sir. वो लोग आके घेर ले रहे हैं, रो रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि अकबर साहब, आप बोले थे और आपकी जबान पे हमने खाली किया, बिल्डिंग बनी, आज हमको नहीं दे रहे हैं. क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं सर? ठीक है, आप बेनिफिशियरीज को सेलेक्ट कर लीजिए, इंक्वायरी करा लीजिए, पुलिस से करा लीजिए, जो भी करना है फिर से करा लीजिए. आप दे तो दीजिए अल्लाह के वास्ते उनको. जंगमेट में, बल्लागोड़ा में, कई जगह पर. दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, सर. सर, गोइंग फर्दर एड, सर, sorry, sir. I'm not well, sir, unwell. But still, I had to participate in this budget speech, so I had come, sir. Sir, we believe that the beneficiaries do not change with every change of the government. So once again, I request through you to the government, sir, kindly allot those beneficiaries who were selected after the due process of the authorities and the collector Hyderabad of selecting the beneficiaries, kindly allot them, sir. Sir, we welcome the announcement of Finance Minister Saab that the Telangana Artificial Intelligence Summit, within them making AI work for everyone, will be held in Hyderabad on 5th and 6th of September 2024 and attended by 2,000 experts from all over the world, sir. Truly, this will help Telangana progress in AI sector, and we hope that the wider use of AI enabled in government services and administration will improve their functioning and efficiency also, sir. Sir, there is also, sir, important, sir, there is also a need to train the government employee